Yeah, so I'm about to go pick up this Rv6 Performance Strut Bar in red. This guy's selling it for 50 bucks, so we'll see how it goes. So it's about like a 45-minute drive, so I'm like 20 minutes left, you know, so yeah, we'll see. So look, I ended up getting the strut bar, so I'm gonna install that tomorrow morning. I'm just opening up that hole right there. The screw broke off from a while ago. So yeah, this is how I have it set up right now. The bolt that goes right here, that's supposed to go right here, it broke off like a while back and I just never fixed it. So I had to just resort to, you know, doing all this bullshit right here, but because I didn't want anything to wrap around the bar, it just looks ugly to me. So I connected it here, zip tie, and then this one has one screw, which I think should be hold it. I don't think it'll be a big deal. So yeah, that's basically it. That's the car right there, guys. So everyone just like, subscribe, and follow for more content. Take care, man.